Who was that? Taylor, I already started it. Okay, so we're on our way to go see this air show. There's going to be lots of planes and like fighter jets and stuff. It's going to be cool. So we got to get our spot. What do you think it is, Taylor? Where is it though? Like over there? Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's not that bad. Good thing we came early. If we came late, it'd be like over there. We'd be here for hours.
I think it starts till 11.
It is right now. So we have time to get our seats, eat.
Yep.
Ooh. First vlog feels good.
I only have 4 points.
Oh, I'm gonna use that 4 o'clock.
Okay.
You guys want to wait?
Sure. We'll wait. Oh, we finally hit 100 subscribers, so now we're gonna start doing the giveaway. I just have to go get the gift cards, and then we'll be doing the thing. Okay. All right. We have to get in line. Wait, we have to go on a bus? Jeez.
Why not?
Okay. Well, this isn't a super bad line, I guess, right?
Because there's a bunch of people that go at once.
Well, the
Yeah.
thing is that there's probably only like a few shuttles that perfect.
Yeah.
We actually knew
This is gonna be lit. See when we get back. Ooh, okay. Just got out of the bus, making our way toward the air show. Kind of long walk, right? Maybe. Well, what do you think the air show is? Like really, like,
It's
where?
like 2 miles down here.
Oh,
What?
I knew I should have brought my scooter. Look at that little thingy.
Whoa!
Oh, I read that.
Imagine the thing's like the most deadliest weapon they have. Launches missiles, it has machine guns. Like, pew!
Add some machetes in the front of it.
We're in a base.
Oh!
So it's cool.
Like it goes really fast. You add machetes on it.
Yo, it's like on the side, you just driving by. All the bad guys will be like,
And then you're just like, get out of the way!
yeah.
That's like the smallest truck I've ever seen.
That'd be the best parking right there.
Yeah.
If you could, I think this is for the elderly though.
So I think that's for like the people that work here.
Or that too.
I'm pretty sure.
Oh, it's over there, out in the open. Let's get some food. If they don't have food, Taylor, we're gonna starve. Yeah.
Wait, if you say smoke, that means there's some food.
Well, it could be from SIDS. You know?
Why
Always
would
could
you
be
stand
food.
on a forklift? That's really different.
Well, forklifts are too. That's why. Who doesn't want to stand on one?
What if they said, hey, does anybody want to go up in the plane?
Oh, I'll be like, me!
I don't want to die today.
You won't die. They're professionals, Taylor. Look at this barbed wire.
Here, let me just touch that.
Wrong.
I touched that before. All it is just spikes. That's all it does.
Yeah, and spikes
But in metal.
a lot.
Because it's
No, I
metal.
just jump over it. Like when I'm on top of fences and it has that, I just jump over it.
Oh, yeah. Well, then you'll be a professional if you ever get in jail and it's not your fault and you want to escape. You'll be professional, like just getting out.
Hangar right there.
Like, room. Oh, wow, look. They sent on the planes.
Show me the planes.
Bro, look at these planes, bro. Legit. Legit.
You can go in them.
I know. I want to go in them. But it's like there's so many people here. Like, how are they going to pick us? That'd be funny, right? They pick all 4 of us to go on a plane. Be like, let's race. Wow. That's a big plane.
It's really hot over here.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, never mind. I'm gonna put the clothes when we get back in the car.
Yeah. We're going to be sweating. It's going to be bad.
We should have left it on.
Yeah. Wow. There's even more planes now. So now we have to find some food.
Oh my gosh. Look
Find
at
our
all the
seats.
planes.
and get ready for the plane show. Right. There's some more planes and stuff. Yeah. Alright, hopefully they have food, because we do not think they have food. And if they do, that'd be great right now.
I smell smoke, so there probably is.
I know. Or it could be from the planes. You always have to think. Like it could be
Maybe
from
it's a
planes.
gas grill or something. like as big as that, it's a grill like that.
Yo, that'd be like,
That'd
they
be
could cook
lit.
like 1,000 burgers at
That would be
once.
like, that would be lit.
No, probably like 1,500, right? Taylor, right? If they had a grill this size, Scotty says, then you'll be able to cook like 1,500 burgers, right? A lot.
I don't know where
Yo, look it in there! Oh my god. Boy.
the only thing we're looking for right now is food.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for.
And play.
If we can focus, yeah.
I see times they might be in there.
There we go.
I like the fun on that.
Yeah, that was nice. Oh, are we supposed to go there? Right, I think we're supposed to sit over there.
Yeah,
But we have to just find food now. Yo, look at them planes. This is legit.
flying without the
Look
wings.
at that one.
Like, remember,
We're like right up next to it.
No, imagine you forgot to put the wings down and you're flying like that and you almost crash.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna touch
Look at me with the plane. Me with the plane. Me with the plane. I'm a savage. Oh my god, I just touched the plane. I'm a G. Get out.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. If you're just getting here, we want to greet you to the Westfield International Air Show.
Yo, look at the fighter jets, bro.
Today,
Oh my god.
I'm pretty sure food's all the way over there.
Yeah.
Food's right there, right there. Yeah.
Oh, food's right here. Food's right here. I know. Alright, so we finished eating and the show's about to start for the airplanes. We just saw two. Like, you can't even see them anymore, right? Oh, look. They're like all the way over there somewhere. Can't even see them. Oh my god. I know. On the camera, you can't see them. Oh, yeah, you can. They're like specks.
10 minutes. Come on, guys.
Look, they're right there. They're just like gliding. Alright. Alright, we're gonna get a seat so you can get a good spot and view of the show. That was pretty cool. Start, right? Alright.
Watch it from
let's
in
go.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're going like
Wait,
straight
so where are
down.
we gonna go? Right here?
Yeah, we can go in here and look at this plane.
Whoop.
Oh, to look at this. We'll go look at it.
A what? Yo! Bro! Oh my god! That's awesome!
They didn't even give you a thing to do here.
Yeah, all you heard was...
All you heard was the air burning.
I know! I felt it! Right? Did you feel that? Yeah!
You can feel like the ground.
Yo, you still hear them!
No.
Where are they? They're like,
There's a
like 2,000 feet up! Bro, that was loud! Oh my god!
That's why some people have headphones.
But it sounded cool.
It's not that bad though. It's a little part of the experience. But I would never be able to be in that low.
Well, no, isn't it more silent in there? In the plane? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Please don't kill me. Bro, where are they? Oh, look, there it is. It landed.
No, it's just going off.
Wait, what? Oh, there's another one. They're gonna come back and then all you're gonna hear is... It's gonna sound crazy on the camera.
And only just begin. Oh wow! I feel like
It's good.
It's like only just begun.
a very special formation.
Dude, did you get the jets?
Century of
The jets? No.
You can feel the ground shaking.
I know, it was bad.
Eyes on the sky, Matt Chapman. And Mike Goulian will be back on stage after circling the flags for us in the opening ceremony.
Oh, there.
Up high to the right now. Our aerobatic pilots are about to join the fun. Red Bull Airways Masterclass pilot Michael Goulian. Homecoming, if you will, taking a break from the Red Bull Series after being on the podium in Russia, representing the USA.
Whoa, he just did a flip.
Comes in with a series of pilots.
Bro, he's coming down.
Moves.
Whoa! 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 Yeah! It's like he flew to the side! Oh my god! Oh no! Bro, what's up? Oh my god!
He will continuously do aerobatics in the aerobatic bar. From one side to the
Oh
other.
my god, that's awesome!
Champion aerobatic pilot. The American champion many times.
Bro, this
Dallas
is
George,
lit.
right on the air show circuit as well. Matt Chapman.
Oh my god, I feel like we're all dead!
Two of America's best. But right now, you're not seeing things.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay lit! Subscribe, bye! Santa's sleigh?
And Major Ashley Rick Ross. Leading the formation. Look at that.
Oh my god, this is awesome! I got like everything. It's like perfect. It's beautiful on my channel. Bye. So, Jordan is in that plane. Right there.